2011 was the first year of the product line after Fiat purchased the Jeep, Chrysler, Ram, Dodge line. When Fiat took a look at the Jeep line, one of the first changes that they made was to the flagship vehicle, the Grand Cherokee. As you can see from this gorgeous 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, they not only changed the look of the exterior, but also the interior. One of the biggest changes was taking the hard, sharp lines of the interior and making a soft touch interior. Then they took a look at the outside of the vehicle itself and went to a little bit more of an elegant, classy look. This gorgeous 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee is one of the newest pieces of inventory at Oliver Motors. One of the things that Fiat did not change, though, was making sure to keep the heritage of the Jeep line by keeping that 7-slot grille. Many say that the 7 slots represent the 7 continents that Jeep is on and driven on today. As we look underneath the hood, you'll notice that everything that you need to check or fill is brightly colored and easily accessible right up on top. This particular 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee is powered by a 5.7-liter Hemi motor. Safety features are still intact in this beautiful vehicle, though, like crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, and 5-mile-an-hour bumpers both front and rear. As we close the hood and we walk back around the vehicle, alloy wheels, opening up the driver's door. This does have the easy entry point, being that it is a push-button start. You can also click that button you saw just there and open the doors. This does have the power mirrors, power windows, and power locks built onto the driver's door. Power driver's seat, leather interior. Hopping up inside the vehicle, your headlight switches built onto the steering wheel. You're going to have your radio controls built on the steering wheel on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, you're going to have your cruise control. Again, this is a push-button start vehicle. As we start up this vehicle, you'll notice how nicely that dash lights up, making it very easily seen whether it's the middle of the day or at night. Looking at the radio controls, the nice big screen, hands-free Uconnect, CD player built underneath the screen, AM/FM radio, and your media controls. Your climate controls built down below that, heated seats in the front, automatic transmission, and your selection to go from your different all-wheel drive options. Sunglasses holder built up in the top. The garage door links. A nice large glove box which still has the owner's manual. As we pop out the driver's side and we go back around to the rear seats, you'll see that this is a large back seat, 3-person capability. In the case that you only have 2 people in the back, the center does fold down for an armrest and 2 cup holders. Popping that seat back up. The rear air assist for the back. Popping that back up. Little lever on the side makes the back seat fold down to a 60-40 split, giving it a nice level plateau so you can have a large storage compartment in the back. As we walk around to the back of the vehicle, taking a look at the back door, you'll see the rear of your rear. The hatch opens up, showing you a large storage compartment with little cubbies on the left side and a big speaker on the right. Underneath, you'll see the spare tire, the jack and jack assembly. As we pull that hatch down and walk around to the front, If you'd like to see more information on this vehicle, visit olivermotors.com or one of our 2 convenient locations, 315 South Boulevard, Baraboo, 246 West Main Street, Sun Prairie.